Today we're going to look at the van rental question. This is a very typical algebra question. So, van rental. Truckwright also rents cargo vans at a daily rate of $19.99 plus 67 cents per mile. What mileage will allow a salesperson to stay within a daily budget of $100? Let's gather the important information from this problem. First of all, the van rental has a daily rate of $19.99, and that's the rate per day. We're going to also look at the mileage, and they are charging 67 cents per mile. I'm going to write that immediately in dollar form because we're going to have to work with it that way, and it's going to be less confusing. The next thing we're going to look at is the daily budget of $100. So, the salesperson is allowed to rent the van, but they have a budget of $100. So we're going to put $100 on the right-hand side of the equation. Why? Because that's the total amount of budget that we have. So that's $100. Then we're going to put our combination of daily rate, which is $19.99, and our mileage rate of 67 cents per mile on the other side. Now 67 cents per mile. What is X? Let X equal number of miles. So if X is what we're looking for, and we're looking for the number of miles, we're going to say that 67 cents for each of those miles is what we are allowed to spend, up to a total of $100. We now have an equation, and so we're going to solve for that equation. The first thing we're going to do is get rid of the $19.99 by subtracting it from both sides. So $19.99 from $100 is going to give me $80.01. Simply subtracted. And now we're going to solve for X. We are going to take our $80.01, divide it by 0.67, and when we calculate that, we get 119 and a decimal number. But remember that every time we drive another part of a mile, they're going to charge us another 67 cents. So we really are only allowed to drive 119 miles in order to stay within our budget.